Hello, this is Pranavan, and today we will be looking into Bosh the Cookbook. So let's have a look into this right now. There you have it. This is Bosh the Cookbook. Simple recipes, amazing food, all plants. Written by Henry Firth and Ian Feasby. Get a close view from the front. And we go into the spine. And the back. Okay. Now we're going to go through the pages at a moderate pace from start to finish. So let's start right now. Restart that again. Okay, go. There you have it. This is Bosh the Cookbook. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the future. Bye.